Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I will show you how to find this interpretation. The first thing we need to expand this one. Next, the square root that is about x to the power of 1 over 2. So if we want to put this one go to numerator, we need to put the negative on the power in here. So we have x to the power of negative 1 over 2. Now, this one multiplied by this one, and this one. Now, we have the formula in here. So we put this one to change for n. So this one plus number 1 and this one plus number 1. So we have the final answer. So this one that is about positive 1 over 2. This one that is about positive 1 over 2. And the last one, this is the end. Thank you for watching.